In today's video, let me show you the way that you play local files on Spotify. If you have songs or podcasts stored on your phone, which is not available on Spotify, and you wanted to play it through the app of Spotify, let me show you how it's done. Open up the app of Spotify, and first of all, you'll need to enable a setting. To do that, head over to the profile icon on the top left, and then head over to Settings and Privacy. Inside of the settings page, you'll be able to see the option of apps and devices. Inside of apps and devices, under other devices, you'll be able to see the option called local audio files. It says right here, lets you add tracks from devices to your library. So if this is off for you, you'll need to toggle this option on. Once you've done that, you can tap on library, and here you'll have a separate section called local files. If you tap on this option, you're going to see all of the audios that are available on your phone. So you can just tap on any song or audio that you're trying to play, and that particular audio will start to play within the platform of Spotify. I hope this tutorial video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for today. I'm going to see you guys in the next one.